Hello everyone, my name is Lindsay and I'll be your host for this session. Today we will go over maximizing your reach, a social media strategy for travel agencies. The travel industry is a dynamic and exciting field, offering endless opportunities to help travelers create unforgettable experiences. As a newly enrolled travel agent, you have the potential to make a significant impact in this industry by leveraging social media to reach and engage with potential clients. In this video, we'll cover the essential components of a successful social media strategy, including understanding your target audience, choosing the right platforms, creating a brand persona, and much more. Understanding your target audience. The right platforms. Brand persona. The first step in creating an effective social media strategy is to understand who your target audience is. This includes understanding their needs, preferences, and pain points, as well as the social media platforms they use most frequently. Consider conducting market research to gather this information or use tools like Google Analytics and Facebook Insights to analyze your current audience. Once you have a clear understanding of your target audience, you can tailor your social media strategy to meet their needs and preferences. Next, choosing the right platforms. Once you understand your target audience, it's time to choose the right social media platforms to reach them. Different platforms have different strengths and capabilities, and it's important to choose platforms that align with your target audience and goals. For example, if your target audience is millennial travelers, Instagram and TikTok might be the best choice, while LinkedIn may be more suitable for business travelers. Make sure to research each platform and understand its capabilities, strengths, and limitations before making a decision. Creating a brand persona. A brand persona is a consistent representation of your brand across all social media platforms. This includes elements such as your tone of voice, visual style, and messaging. Creating a brand persona helps to build brand recognition and trust, and ensures a consistent and cohesive presence across all your social media channels. Consider creating a brand style guide that outlines your brand persona and use it as a reference when creating content and interacting with your followers. Creating high-quality, visually appealing content. High-quality, visually appealing content is the backbone of a successful social media strategy. This includes photos, videos, destination guides, and behind-the-scenes content that showcases your travel packages and experiences. Make sure the content you share is relevant and interesting to your target audience, and consider using tools like Canva and Adobe Spark to create eye-catching graphics and videos. Utilizing hashtags. Hashtags are an effective way to increase the visibility of your content and reach a wider audience. Make sure to research and use the most popular and relevant hashtags for your target audience, and consider creating branded hashtags for your travel agency. For example, if your travel agency is called Sunny Escapes, you could create the branded hashtag #SunnyEscapesTravel. Use hashtags in all your social media posts to increase their visibility and reach a wider audience. Collaborating with influencers. Collaborating with travel influencers can help you reach a wider audience and increase your brand's visibility. Consider partnering with influencers who have a large following in your target audience and ask them to share their experiences with your travel packages and services on their platforms. This can help you reach a new and engaged audience and build brand recognition and credibility. Engaging with your followers is essential to building a loyal community of clients and followers. Respond promptly to comments and messages, and engage with your followers by asking for their feedback and opinions. This will help you understand their needs and preferences and build a relationship with them. Make sure to be friendly, professional, and helpful in all your interactions with your followers. You can also consider hosting contests and giveaways, or creating interactive content like polls and quizzes to engage with your followers. Running social media ads. Running targeted social media ads can help you reach a wider audience and drive conversions. Consider running ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, and target your ads to specific demographics, locations, and interests. Make sure to test different ad formats and targeting options, and regularly review your social media metrics to track your progress and make informed decisions about how to improve your strategy. Measuring and adjusting. Continuously monitoring and evaluating the performance of your social media strategy is essential to its success. This includes regularly reviewing your social media metrics, such as engagement rates, reach, and conversions, to track your progress and make informed decisions about how to improve your strategy. Don't be afraid to make changes to your strategy as needed, based on your metrics and the results you're seeing.
By following the steps outlined in this video, you can create a comprehensive and effective social media strategy for your travel agency. Remember, social media is a constantly evolving landscape, so make sure to stay up to date on the latest trends and best practices.
With hard work, dedication, and a commitment to delivering exceptional experiences to your clients, you can achieve success in the travel industry. Good luck!